Do you think education system sucks and you are hearing that AI can fix it? So the headlines are screaming that AI tools will replace all the teachers and everybody will learn with no effort? But it is truly the case? In this video, I will give you 5 things what can really AI change in your education, and maybe you will be the one who will implement this. So hit the subscribe button and don't miss out. Let's be honest, we think that in the future robots will be smarter than humans. However, what we don't realize, we already making robots from our young generation, which I am part of and you probably too. Don't get me wrong, education and human teachers are extremely important. The problem lies in the outdated system, which, as we all know, is killing our creativity, individuality, and telling us we are useless by standardized tests. That means it's time to grab your backpack and come with me to see the journey how AI tools and right attitude can make education great again. This video is inspired by famous Stanford professor and AI enthusiast Andrew Ng and his style of teaching. Online learning versus sitting quiet in the classes. Now, let's be real, theory won't go away. On the other hand, theory don't have to be taught. Sitting 5 hours like a dead fish listening in the quiet class. With the rise of natural language processing, the opportunity of personalized learning apps for boring theory is here. The apps could adapt materials to the learning pace of students, the order in which they learn, what they learn, and other individual needs. After that, they come to classes and have better discussions with the human tutors, with more real-world activities in which they can directly engage. Speaking of interactive learning, how's your feelings experienced it? Interactive learning is reshaping the classroom experience and empowering students like never before. The AI tools can easily create any interactive demonstrations that will help teachers to engage students even more, and in no time. Oh, and what about your school projects? Do you have any flashbacks on the same monotonous tasks for everybody? The AI ability to adapt is huge, and it is possible to discover relevant content for every student that will allow students to apply the concepts they have learned to the real-world problems according to their preferences. What if students don't want to be alone? Learning something new is way more than only getting information and practical skills. The byproduct of AI automatized tasks could create more time for classroom environment where students can work together on projects, share ideas and learn from each other experiences. Feedback and assessments, our most popular topic. Guess what? Both AI and human tutors are able to give feedback to your work and evaluate some formal assessments. Combining these two aspects will give students better overview on what areas to focus. Look, we all spend a non-negligible part of our lives in school, and it helped us to bloom in many fields, but it can and it will be done better, not only for the level of performing, but most importantly for overall human well-being. If you like this video and you want more videos, hit subscribe button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and remember, together we can make history. Peace.